Careful. Wait your turn, honey. Let her go up. Thank you. Don't want her to fall. Get your legs down. There you go. Whoa, your dress blew up. Whee! You want to go again? Woo!
That's funny.
It is funny.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, kind of. Only the big kids are out here. You want to go up the slide again? Miley, psst, psst, psst. Show Grandma and Granddaddy how you go down the slide. I bet Grandma Bobby and Grandpa Bob want to go down and see it too.